Hey everyone, today I'm going to be doing a first impressions. It's been a while since I did my last first impressions, so I was in the mood to try out something new. So I'm going to be using a makeup remover which has been given the best makeup remover by Vogue in their beauty awards this year, 2014 that is. So I am going to do a first impression on Clinique Take the Day Off makeup remover. This came in my NV box for the month of October, I guess. Yes, it was October, and as I told you earlier, it's take the day off, and this is a tester pack, so I do not know. I'd like to believe that this is 50 ml, though I'm not sure because it doesn't say anywhere what's the quantity, but 125 ml of this retails for 1950 rupees, which is expensive. So I'm having like high hopes from this, and that's why I'm doing a first impression on a day where I have full-blown makeup. I have a full coverage foundation, shitloads of concealer, falsies, dark lips and everything. I've had this makeup for throughout the day now, and basically if this tutorial is not still up yet, it would be soon, so I would link it as soon as it's up. I've popped off my lenses, and that sounds really dangerous. I've popped off my lenses. So yes, I've already popped off my lenses, so I'm going to try out this Take the Day Off makeup remover. This is a biphasic cleanser only, so you have to shake it before you break it. What am I even saying? I'm sorry. Shake well, saturate, cotton ball, sweep on, wipe off, rinse with water before reapplying makeup. That is what the card says about how to use it, and the packaging is such that you have to push the cap first and then you have to rotate it to open it. So yep, I am successfully able to open it in one go, and the full packaging also is like this only. I have my cotton pads over here, so I'm going to zoom in so you can actually see how this makeup remover works. So this makeup remover says that it can take off makeup for lids, lashes, lips, so basically everything, and I have my falsies on, so I'm just going to remove them before doing anything else. I don't even do anything else, I just like strip them off my eyes. Ooh, my eyes look so bare now. Alright, so that my falsies are now off, I am going to use this and I'm going to shake it up again. I'm going to take my cotton pad, I'm going to just saturate it, hopefully not wasting any of it, and I just did drop a little bit of that on my pants. And now that my cotton pad is saturated, I'm just going to swipe it off my face and see how much makeup it's able to remove in just one go. Oh my god, this just like literally in one swipe removed all my eye makeup, like literally. I'm not even kidding you guys. I have some eye glue on though. It didn't remove my eye glue in one go, like eyelash glue, what I'm even saying. But it just like removed my makeup really easily, which is wow. So it did not get that beauty award just like that, did it now? It even took off my lipstick in just one go. I'm really impressed. I even removed my waterline makeup and I did not sting my eye, which is really surprising. And this is the final result of the cotton pad. So I have to yet wash my face, but this did remove the makeup pretty well, as you can see from the state of the cotton pad. It also removed my mascara as well as kajal, which I had on my waterline, without stinging my eye, which is, oh my god, yay. I am actually now thinking to invest 1950 bucks to buy that full size bottle, 125 ml, but this is going to last me a long time too, because it just literally wiped off my face, and I think I did take a little bit more than I needed because it is a first impression. I did not know how much to use, but it just literally, I'm not even kidding you, it just took off my makeup like this. Alright, so if you have if you have a difficult time in removing your makeup, and I'm just sweeping it off because I'm a little OCD when it comes to makeup removers, I just go on repeating it until I'm just completely satisfied. So please don't think that it hasn't removed it. The makeup is already off, but yes, Take the Day Off. I really like the name as well, and the packaging is good too. It won't like open up like this if it's in your bag. You have to like first push it and then open it, which is really good. It's really secure. So yes, for first impressions, I'm very surprised that this makeup remover just instantly, it just instantly removed the makeup. I really like it. I hope you will like it as well. I hope this first impression was helpful. If it was, then please rate, comment and subscribe. I have a Twitter, an Instagram, a Facebook and a blog, and if you do buy this makeup remover, then don't forget to tell me. I love what you guys buy on my recommendations, and if you're already using it, let me know that too. And I will see you guys in my next video on Friday. Till then, take care. Bye.